If retrieval practice is framed as a quiz rather than a test, students will be more likely to engage with it, as students often report enjoy doing quizzes. Key to this is retrieval practice being low stakes, which means it will not be used to judge them or rank their performance.
In addition, we need to explain the rationale for using regular retrieval practice. Despite being more effective in the long term, retrieval practice feels more difficult in the moment. Engaging in retrieval practice will reveal gaps in students' knowledge, which can mislead students about their current performance. Students may well feel deflated by their short-term struggle to recall information, despite this being the very process that will support better recall long-term. They then become anxious and are likely to abandon retrieval in favour of less effective strategies. We must therefore ensure that we not only tell students repeatedly about the benefits of retrieval practice, but also explain how it will feel more difficult initially.
If you're looking for more resources like this that are
Useful,
research-based
and easy to use,
then go to the Teachers CPD Academy now.